We are on the bus going to Jensen Airport. Say hello.
Hello. You wanna go on the bus too?
Going to airport. Ay, slowly.
Look at the skies.
There's a lot of bus.
Yes, there are hundreds of them. No.
Are you happy to see Ate again?
Yes.
Happy daw siya to see Ate.
So excited.
So excited. Wait mo na, quick. Doon yung airplane. Wait mo ko, hindi mo ko wait. Wait mo ko. Halika na. Ay, mahaba naman pala yung pila dito. Oh, wait ka. Dito ka lang.
Why not, Ma?
39. Ate, sarap mo na.
바람이 불어온 그 밤에 꺼진했던 조각들이 난 떠올라 순간에 falling down
Sila, thank you so much sa dati nila nag-sponsor to go them and to go in Dubai for vacation. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
He wants to hear it.
Okay, up na. Nanonood siyang dalawa. Hindi siyang dalawa. Nanonood. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Ate, gonna fix it. Oh.
Nice. I want the...
Put that one on your neck. Wait, put it on your neck. This one.
Sure. Sure I am.
Sure I am. And then your headset.
That's it. Wow.
Ah, okay. Oh, put your headset. Video ko guys. Hello everyone. Hello guys. Nasa Emirates Airline plane kami going to Dubai. Sa atin, nanonood sila ng Boss Martin. Kasi sila manood. Iyakan ng some snacks. Kasi kumain kami. Ay, Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Ito na binigay yung slots. For more slots.
He wants to hear it.
Okay, up na. Sige, yeah, go na. With kids, don't know, follow with them. Both of you. We are here in Dubai. We are here in Dubai Airport. Dubai Airport. Go na. We are here in Dubai now. Oh.
Come here, Habibi.
Habibi. Yes. Habibi. Ubo ang ating Habibi.
I just saw two people speaking Russian today, and they're looking so amazing.
Ay, bili tayo ng...
Also, why is it so far? Wine. Moderator? Wine.
Pagod ang bata. Iswa.
Oh my god.
Pagod ang bata. For 9 hours flight. How about you, ate? You don't feel tired?
I feel energetic.
You don't feel tired? We are here waiting for our luggage.
Oh, actually, I got only 2 hours of sleep.
Really? Ako naman. Ay, tired. Pagod.
Oh, what
Pagod.
is this?
Pagod ako.